Yo people, welcome back. City Hunter, new day, new vlog from China. Today we're at Xiamen and yeah, I'm going to show you guys this area. I don't have a lot of time in Xiamen, so I'm just going to give you guys a walking tour of where we are right now, and this area at least. Then you guys got an idea of where we are. So stay with me and come along with this walking tour. Catch you in a bit. Peace out. Ciao. Okay, so these are the streets of Xiamen, and this is these are cars, and this is some employee center of Xiamen Airlines. Here you can see electric scooter. So we're walking towards a shopping mall. Hopefully, I think it's a shopping mall. So I found it on well, Google Maps. It's not really working here, so this time it's maps.me. So these are some kind of buildings, flats, not sure. Hello. And yeah, another building there. So I think that's right in front of us. There are some shopping, so we're going towards there, and let's see what's happening and what we can do around it. So thing to know is that YouTube is not working, Google is not working here. Everything is banned unless you guys got VPN, otherwise it's banned. So now we're at some kind of street, and I need to look at a navigation center where the hell we need to go. So stay with me and see you in a bit. Bye bye. So these are the empty streets of Xiamen. It's now around 7 p.m. and over there this is another hotel. So it's called the Xiamen Hualen Group. Oh no, that's not a hotel, that's a company. Look at these houses. It does look a little bit like the Netherlands, the buildings. So yeah, I mean but I don't see a lot of people here. That's something what I didn't notice about China, that you don't see a lot of yeah, people walking. Not sure why, but yeah, let's walk and continue our journey and see where we get. And now we have arrived at some kind of shops. At least some shops are open, so so you can also smell the food. So, and there's a garage here as well. I know I'm not showing you guys, but I'll turn the camera and then you will see some stuff. So okay, so on the opposite side you will see some restaurants. Not sure if they are halal, don't think they are, to be honest. Some signs in Chinese. Over here Heineken, and some restaurants of course. So this is I think places where you can eat or get some food. But then again, I don't see that many people. So yeah, let's walk and continue. Another shop, that's alcoholic shop. So not sure what this is. Actually, we also need to go to a supermarket in a bit. So let's see where the hell we need to go. And yeah, you got some kind of shops, and see a place or find a place where we can eat. See a lot of electric scooters around here. So let's walk and continue. I think we need to hurry because it is red, and otherwise we're going to die. Oh no, we don't need to die yet. We just need to wait and see what's happening. So I'm not sure which area this is, by the way. We got the hotel to Xiamen Airlines. So for 1 day, and yeah, we're just exploring this area then. You see some shops in front of us as well. I like these mini, what are these, electric bikes. So these are nice. And it's still red, so we're just waiting. What's funny is I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's counting down when we can walk. So let's see if that works. It doesn't work. Oh, that's mainly for the cars. So catch you in a bit. Okay, so it's gone green, and these things are a little bit dangerous. So we'll walk anyways and see if we can find something. So over here you will see some more shops, but again not many people around here. You will see some people. So the shops here are open until 10 p.m. I just heard. And yeah, I think maybe it's good just to walk around here and see what's happening. So let's continue. Again, some kind of restaurants here, some shops. I'm not entering these shops because there's no point. I'm not buying anything. So let's see if we can find something. No, this is yeah, I cannot read thing, but this is some pizza hut place, I guess. So these are all food places. This is ice cream. Not sure what this is. Yeah, maybe it is ice cream. Some noodles, I think. Clothing shop. Some massage. Noodle shop. You've got a lot of noodle shops here. So some shops to buy some shoes. So this is a lot of shops you will see around here, but you won't see yeah, like really some places or hairdresser here. And let's continue. Here are the people. There are only a few people here. Again, another place. You do see people in restaurants, but not that many, to be honest. Yeah, that's it. See if we can continue. What's over there? Nothing. We can go straight and see what's there. Okay, now we are at some kind of garage, and yeah, I'm not seeing anything, to be honest, what we can eat. So yeah, even though we are boycotting McDonald's, but that's the only option that we've got at the moment. So yeah, I found something, and let's see if it is true, if we can find a McDonald's, and if not, yeah, then I guess shit happens and we need to survive without food. I think we will find something. So let's continue. So now it's getting a little bit more dark. They don't have that many lights around here, but we'll just walk straight and see what's happening. So these are some residence, I guess, buildings where people do live, and on the opposite side you will see some shops, some restaurants as well. Oh, it's wet here. So we'll continue and see what more is to do around here. Okay, this is some gift box music, some music shop, I guess. And from here onwards we need to walk straight. There are some food places, but it's not halal. So yeah, I mean, we can't eat over there. That's so sad, because I do see some spaghetti around there. But yeah, let's see and continue our journey. Smell, you can really smell the food, man. I mean, you really get hungry if you smell the food. But you don't see a lot of tourists around here. Mainly the local people around here. This looks like a big shopping market. So yeah, I think this is a big one, like Albert Heijn, Tesco's or whatsoever. Dirk van den Broek. And this is another restaurant. Some flower shop around here. And now I need to see where the hell we need to go. Let's see if we can enter this road. And now we're back at big street, main street. You do see a lot of well, some people around here, and I think we almost found McDonald's. So we've succeeded our journey towards McDonald's, and I'm going to close this vlog off also because yeah, there's not more to show you guys at this time, but there's more to do. And yeah, if you did like this little tour of Xiamen, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Peace out. Ciao.